We record already.
It's all the same, but some things never change. I couldn't.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, you should know that my channel is all about tech reviews, and recently I'm making a lot of reviews regarding the video in photography. I have a lot of gimbals, for action cameras, for smartphones, and of course for mirrorless cameras. But what I didn't have was small and yet powerful gimbal for traveling. By traveling, I'm not saying just to travel to another country. Me, for example, I do a lot of videos around my place. And since I'm familiar with Giant products, my decision this time was based on trust to company. That's why I picked Giant Weebill Lab. In the box we get styrofoam box, aka the case. After opening it, here is the gimbal itself, that we will talk about it a little later. Additionally, we get the plate for our camera, mini tripod, another razor plate in case we have bigger lens, and few cables, 2 batteries, charger for batteries, and that's it. Oh, I forgot on manual. This gimbal is really light. Comparing this one to my other gimbal is like having paper in your hands. Makes sense, right? Traveling and that. Also, the design of this gimbal is totally different from the others. For example, the battery compartment. Removable batteries on so strange but yet so effective place. Just look at this. Also this mini tripod that comes with Weebill app, that can be made as the extension to your gimbal, or if you want, you can mount it above here, and when you mount it, you can lock it so it doesn't move, and you can use it for those beautiful low angle videos. I made a small upgrade here with 2 tripods, so that I can go in low angle shot whenever I want, and in same time I have extension for the gimbal. This is how the crane tree would look like in smaller form. Next thing related to traveling, all 3 axes are locked. Instead of thinking in what mode you are with your gimbal, Giant made it really simple. They gave us buttons for almost every possible mode that is included in this gimbal. Like pen following mode or lock mode, depends on what you select here. Go mode, aka sport mode, aka follow mode on steroids. POV mode, where all axis follows our movement, including roll rotation up to 45 degrees. Most wanted mode on gimbal, the VORTEX mode. Follow mode, where gimbal follow our pen and tilt motion. Selfie mode, and when you want to reset everything to original position, just press this trigger button twice. What else do we have here? 1/4-inch hole to mount your external monitor, or with right camera like Sony a7 III or similar to transfer signal from camera through your gimbal on your smartphone. Fantastic option, which I will present in one of my future videos. And don't think that you need camera like this to operate with this gimbal. Me, for example, I have installed Panasonic G85 and it works very well. Except that I must press the record button on camera and set other settings manually on camera itself. And with cameras like Sony, you get ability to control almost every parameter from your camera on your smartphone. I think it's enough of talking. Let's make this short b-roll of all the modes.
It's all the same, but some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, nobody's gonna save. And oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. Oh my, you're my broken love.
Now, as you can see, it offers everything. It's small, it's compact, and it can be stored in pretty much any camera bag. Can work with most of basic mirrorless setups due to its payload and the weight of nowadays cameras. And it offering us every mode that we actually need. Anyway, if you are about to travel and you want to make some nice and steady shots, this one is a go. Funny, just like they called one of their modes. Comment down below what gimbal do you have and why did you pick that particular model. And maybe if you don't have any gimbal, also comment down below what gimbal would you like to buy and the reason why that particular model. If you liked my video with Giant Weebill app, make sure to check the links in the description below and you can follow that link to buy one for yourself. Thank you guys for staying with me and until the next time, you know. Peace!